Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope that your Ramadan has been doing well. Today I'm going to be sharing the second recipe from my Teas Ramadan recipe series this year, and I'll be sharing a really cute recipe of mini Basque burnt cheesecakes. So these are really easy to make and it's a nice treat to have after your terawih prayers. So let's get started. First, heat up your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Next, take your muffin tin and line it with baking paper. I usually cut the paper into squares and press it into the tin. And to make sure that your paper sticks, spread a little butter in each of the muffin tin holes. And now onto the next section, which is really just putting and combining all of the ingredients together. Start with the softened cream cheese and add in your sugar and mix until it's smooth. Next, crack in an egg and continue mixing until it's nicely incorporated. Next, add a dash of vanilla and some cream. You can use like whipping cream, heavy cream, those work. And then you mix again until everything is combined. And finally, you add about half a tablespoon of plain flour and give it one last mix. Your batter is now ready. Divide it evenly into the muffin tins. With this recipe, you should be able to make about 6 mini cheesecakes. Now bake them in the oven for around 20 to 23 minutes. This timing works well to get a firm yet moist cheesecake. But if you want a runnier texture, consider skipping the flour and baking for a shorter time. Once baked, let them cool completely. It might be tempting, but these treats need some patience. After they've cooled, pop them into the fridge for a few hours or overnight. The result is a creamy texture with the perfect level of firmness. So there you have it, a simple yet delicious recipe for mini Basque burnt cheesecakes. I hope you enjoy making them as much as I did. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one.